In this video, I'm going to show you how to estimate shipping on CNFans. So the first thing you want to do, you want to open up the website, so cnfans.com, and then over here, you want to click on estimation, which is going to be the third tab up here. Now in here, this is kind of a calculator for the shipping costs. You can estimate shipping with that. It's not going to be exactly the same, but it gives you quite a good estimate. So here, you just have to put in your destination. Over here, you want to put in the country. So I'm just going to run a sample for you. And then you want to put in the item category. So for example, we're going to do shoes. And then let's say we're going to do, let's say ordinary brand like this. Okay, there we go. And then the weight should be displayed over here as well. So we're going to do, let's say we're going to do 400 grams. So make sure you know the weight in grams, okay? In case that's not the value you use, you must just convert it, okay? So into grams. And then over here, you should know the length. So for example, we're going to do 10 and then 20. And then we're going to do, let's say height is going to be, let's say 10, okay? So this is in centimeters. Again, in case you're not using metric units, you will have to convert this. And after you do that, just click on calculate over here, and then it's going to ask you to basically log into your account. And then once you log into your account, you'll be able to see your estimation. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.